Lesson 5, Learn Everyday Vocabulary and Simple Sentence, is daily vocabulary. Now we will learn some daily vocabulary that will help you in daily communication. Here is a list of some vocabulary words with examples of their use. Learning everyday vocabulary and simple sentences. House. I live in a small house. Car. She drives a red car. Book. He reads a book every night. School. They go to school by bus. Food. We eat healthy food. I like pizza. She goes to work every morning. They play football on weekends. We watch movies at home. He reads books in the library. A task, write simple sentence, is using the everyday vocabulary you have learned. Try using new words in your daily sentence, is to expand your vocabulary. Note, remember that practicing simple words and sentences will help you build your confidence in using English in everyday life.